Have you ever noticed how someone can be obsessed with you on Monday, and by Friday, they reply with LOL and disappear? One minute you're their favorite person, the next minute you're just another notification, so why do people lose interest so fast? First, let's be honest, sometimes it's not even about you. We live in a world where everything moves fast. New trends, new people, new options, it's like social media scrolling. If something doesn't excite us in 5 seconds, swipe, next. Some people treat relationships the same way. Second, many people fall in love with the idea of someone, not the real person. In the beginning, everything feels exciting, late-night texts, deep talks. Good morning messages with emojis that look like they're in love. But once the mystery fades and reality shows up with flaws, moods, and normal days, the excitement drops. They weren't in love with you. They were in love with the fantasy version of you. Another reason, instant gratification. We're used to quick dopamine hits, fast food, fast internet, fast replies. So when something requires patience, emotional effort, or real communication, some people just check out. It's easier to start something new than to build something real. And here's something people don't talk about enough. Some individuals chase feelings, not connections. They love the butterflies, the thrill, the newness, but real connection, that takes work. And work doesn't always feel exciting. Sometimes it's boring. Sometimes it's uncomfortable. Growth isn't always glamorous. But wait, here's the twist. When someone loses interest quickly, it doesn't always mean you weren't enough. Sometimes it means they weren't ready, or they didn't have the emotional depth to stay. The right people don't just chase sparks, they stay for the fire. So if someone lost interest in you fast, don't panic. Don't shrink yourself, don't start overthinking every word you said. Instead, ask yourself this: do you really want someone who treats people like temporary trends? The truth is, the right connection doesn't fade in a week. It builds slowly, steadily. And maybe that's less dramatic, but it's real. And real always lasts longer than hype.